Experiencing random alarm activations on your Volvo XC90 from 2016 to 2023? The most common culprits are the Siren module, bonnet hood switch, and 12 volts auxiliary battery. Common causes include: start by checking the bonnet switch for corrosion or damage, especially after winter exposure. Next, consider the 12-volt battery's health, as voltage drops can trigger false alarms. If you have a 2022-2023 model, ensure you've installed the latest over-the-air software update from Volvo, released in Q2 2025, which recalibrates the central electronic module. For older models, diagnosing might require a trip to the dealer to check for technical service bulletins and potential hardware replacements. Remember that aftermarket modifications can also interfere with the alarm system. Once you've identified the problem, several solutions exist. Replacing a faulty bonnet switch typically costs around $150. Applying dielectric grease can prevent future corrosion. For a failing Siren module, a replacement is usually necessary, with Volvo issuing recalls on certain models for this issue. If the 12-volt battery is weak, replace it to ensure stable voltage. Regularly inspect wiring harnesses for corrosion, especially in harsh climates. For those comfortable with DIY, YouTube tutorials and forums like Reddit's r/Volvo offer guidance, but be aware that improper repairs can void your warranty. Volvo plans to incorporate AI diagnostics in future models to predict faults preemptively. Annual checks and preventive maintenance can drastically reduce failures, potentially saving you from unexpected alarm issues.